All right, my people, now welcome back onto this channel. Well, no be small something, no. Still on the matter, my brother, my sister, Yoruba nation. No going back, exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, so onto this one. Hey. Yes, it don't finally happen. Yes, so it don't happen now. All the things will be say we they talk same. Now it don't they happen, or it don't they manifest. All those people will be say that time when we they talk say make everybody gather, make we face Yoruba nation. All of them will be say they talk say I beg you, on our mouth they smell. My brother, my sister, all of them now don't come outside. They are now against one Nigeria. All the Yoruba youth, in fact, not only Yoruba youth self, all the youth for Nigeria now, they don't verse. See what thing they happen. Shebi now they see this picture. Yeah, so now him I know say all our youth they don't get sense. See as they chase all these APC people when they campaign for inside Lagos. Inside the video, you go hear somebody they shout say, for this country where we say hunger won't kill everybody. For this country where we say hardship they everywhere. Now even now the campaign say now be one APC nonsense. Say una no go try am. Say like this so make una they pull una cloth. Now all the boys for the streets come they pursue them. Oh yeah, alele make una come. My brother, my sister, Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what it is, so exactly what the people are now talking about. Yes, they are not talking about it. And the one thing, I have said it times to that number. As far as this country is concerned, the more the people get close to hardship, the more they get wise. Yes, the more they get close to hardship, the more they get wise. Now, the hardship has ravaged everywhere. I've said it before. By the time our youth are being pushed to the wall, my brother, my sister, everybody will wake up. Yes, I always say this, that Yoruba will say any kolomo, and exactly what we have been talking about. Look at what is happening everywhere. Kidnap everywhere. Buying has been the order of the day. And now, do you know that the people that were saying we should forget about Yoruba nation, that is saying now only one Nigeria go fit make it happen, all those people where they talk all those things that time, all of them now will be say it don't happen to them. They don't see film, many things will be say don't happen to them. Now this side of people don't come outside, they confess, say like this so now only Yoruba nation now you go fit do am, because the way the whole thing is, my brother, my sister, is not making sense at all. I tell you, it's not making sense at all. You will go out, before you come back, even the traffic alone, then not to talk of the transportation, the money you will spend at the end of the month, my brother, my sister, you will end up spending your salary as a transportation. In case you don't know, a lot of people are tired of the whole system right now. Initially they believe that, if we vote for APC it will be better, but no, there was this prophet who came out then. In fact, until tomorrow, I will always respect that prophet. He said that don't vote for APC. Hey, don't vote for APC, because if you try it, what you are suffering in this regime of Buhari, it will be worse when it comes to the regime of this next person. So in fact, don't vote. And that was when the Yoruba nation agitators were of the opinion that nobody should come out and vote. In fact, we should not vote anybody. Then they were saying it not until this woman came in, this Dukpa Onitiri faction. They came in and they started deceiving people. You can imagine. You understand? They now started deceiving everybody that, hey, we should fill one rights petition and sign some petitions and all that. And before you knew it, we started saying things happening. Yes, my brother, my sister, before you knew it, she destroyed the whole movement. She destroyed the old movement. She made everybody believe that petition will make things work out. Before you know it, she started separating and having some other faction, separating herself from Chief Sunday Igboro and Professor Bayi Akintoye. Before we know what was happening, some people went with her, some people went with Professor Bayi Akintoye. Before you knew it, my brother, my sister, the relationship we were having together now got broken. At the end of it all, some people were not like, what is going on? Nobody was actually communicating again. Because before then, it was one voice. You understand? We were together with one voice. But not until this woman came in, distraction came. This one was not listening to this one, the other one was not listening to the other one. Before you knew it, people were just like, well, I think we should just focus on our politician. That's why we are where we are today. If it was the way it had been then, you understand, if it was the way it had been then, my brother, my sister, I'm very sure majority of people will not vote. But look at, we have voted. Look at what is going on now. This picture you are saying, it reminds me of what happened during the EndSARS, that all the youth came out in their numbers. In fact, and I'm very sure this is just the beginning. Yes, this is just the beginning, because our people have finally been pushed to the wall. And then right now everybody is reacting. One guy was in that video, he was of the opinion that you people are campaigning, you call yourself APC, where people are hungry. Look at what people are eating, of which somebody was just cooking around that place. In fact, if you saw what that guy was about to eat, oh my goodness, you will cry that what is going on in this country. That is why the wise ones have come out. Yoruba nation no going back. That's how it had been, and that's exactly what it's supposed to be. We have completed this 100 years. This treaty has been completed since 2014. So it's not the right of the people to say, oh, we are tired, they will let us go according to what is in the constitution. Let us go our separate ways. But the reverse had been the case. Now everybody is suffering. The Fulani people right now, this is even the time they are now operating more. You can imagine now that a Yoruba man is there as our president, the Fulani people are having guts, they are moving freely, kidnapping, doing all sorts of things to our people, yet nothing is happening. What about if the president now leaves? That's exactly what the problem is. That is why we have been shouting it. That is why we have been calling on all Yoruba elders to wake up. Because these things that are happening, my brother, my sister, you would think it's a joke. We would think it's a joke. The future of the next generation is what we are actually talking about. Somebody was even telling me that forget about the next generation. In the next 2 years, in the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years, my brother, my sister, what is going to become of us? Now a Yoruba man is there, nothing has been done. It's even now that the Fulani people, so-called Fulani people, are now doing their worst, all sort of things happening. And the worst scenario, when the Yoruba man gets to report these Fulani people, at the end of it all, they will still cite a Fulani man. Our own Yoruba person will cite a Fulani man. Why? Because they believe that they have been paid off. Because some of them have been paid off from Abuja, from the top. My brother, my sister, how long are we going to continue like this? Somebody is of the opinion that yes, now una get sense, now una start. Yes, if to say una don't get sense, una don't wise, na for no even come outside to vote for anybody. Some people go say, na Peter Obi fit do am. Who tell you? Some go say, na Tiku for fit do am. Some go say, yes, so now we suppose dey there. My brother, my sister, as far as this country is concerned, forget it. There's nothing like one Nigeria. There is nothing like one Nigeria. Before somebody gets there, there are some cabals that will call them together and they tell them that before we support you, you are going to sign this. If you are not signing, then forget about it. That is why we are saying it, that the best thing for us is jejely and wirely make we come out, make we go our separate ways before it is too late. Look at what is happening now. Look at what is happening. They were chasing them away. We don't want to see you people. Get out. Who na campaign help? People they hungry. Now they come out and say, now they do campaign. My brother, my sister, in fact, I love this. Well, Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what it is. Exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this. And remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right. Thanks and God bless.